It's time to register for the 2020 Kids College at PVCC Summer STEM and Arts Academies. This summer's program is going to be the best ever, with more than 100 hands-on workshops offered at 4 locations across the area. Choose from virtual reality, photography, drones, robotics, dance, Minecraft, 3D art, engineering, and so much more. Join us for flexible morning, afternoon, or full-day options. With locations at PVCC main campus and in Albemarle, Fluvanna, and Louisa counties, it's easy for your child to participate. Kids College at PVCC from June 8th through August 7th is open to rising 3rd through 9th graders. Kids College at Albemarle is June 22nd through July 10th. Kids College at Fluvanna is June 1st through the 12th. And Kids College at Louisa is June 15th through the 25th. The county academies are open to rising 1st through 9th graders. Scholarships are available. Go to pvcc.edu/kidscollege and register today. Make this a summer that your child will never forget.